DipTrace comes with an extended set of libraries and also includes tools for component editing and designing from scratch. But if you would like to use pre-built components and 3D models, available from vendors or library suppliers, to save your time, there is a way to use those resources too. Even if DipTrace is not in the list of CAD tools supported by a library supplier, it's too early to get upset. You still can download the parts you need and use them in your design, thanks to DipTrace library input capabilities. Let me show you how Librarian platform and the tools it offers can help you get access to immense quantity of pre-built parts. The first option is to use Librarian's own database of verified components. Just go to ultralibrarian.com and search for the required component. I look for an amplifier OPA189 IDBVR. The search result contains a brief part description, availability and price information, and also shows available models. For this part, you can download a symbol, a footprint, and also a 3D model. Click on the part name to be directed to the part preview page. Preview options may vary depending on the part. In this case, we can choose Basic, Detailed, and Pin Detail view of the footprint, as well as see options with minimum, typical, and maximum pad sizes for the footprint as per IPC specifications. In additional info section, you can check the datasheet for the component. Press Download Now button. Next, in 3D CAD model drop-down, tick Step to download a 3D model. The following step is selection of CAD format, and at this point we should check DipTrace library input capabilities to choose the right one. So, in Component Editor module of DipTrace, I go to Library, Import, to see available options. DipTrace can import Altium files in ASCII format. However, Librarian offers files for Altium Designer in script format, so this option has to be discarded. PCAD both 14 and 15 can be imported with no problem. Eagle files can be migrated to DipTrace in both script and XML format, so this is a really good option. For KiCad, Librarian offers separate files of symbol and footprint, so importing in this format would take some extra clicks. DipTrace supports input from PADS 2005, so for this particular part there are no suitable options. I'll select Eagle format. Log in or register with Librarian to complete your download. The library file and 3D model are downloaded in a compressed folder, so I have to unzip it first. Note that the downloaded library is in script format. To continue, open Component Editor. I'm gonna create a new library group. I go to Library, Library Setup, and in the pop-up dialog, press Add button. I'll call the new group UL Import and set it to include both components and buttons. Click OK. I'm gonna select the library group I have just created, and now it's time to import the downloaded library. So go to Library, Import, Eagle Script, and browse for the script file. Select it and click Open. Let's name the library and include it into the group I have just created. The imported library contains 3 components with the same symbol but different options of footprint, with minimal, typical, and maximum pad sizes. Remember to save the library on your computer. The next step is attaching a 3D model. This can be done in Proton Editor. First, make sure a non-standard library group is selected. I'll take the one I created earlier and add a new Proton library to the group. To get footprints from the imported library, I go to Proton, Insert from another library, and select UL Import Group and OPA189 library. Select all the parts and press Insert. It's important to understand that at this point, individual copies of footprints are created, and they are no longer associated with imported components. Now select a footprint and press 3D Model button on Pattern Properties panel. If the panel is not displayed, go to View, Toolbars, and tick Pattern Properties, or unfold the panel if it's hidden. In the pop-up, browse for the required model. 3D models from the Ultra Librarian have been saved to the same folder as the component library. Open Step folder and select the respective model. Click OK. Repeat for the remaining footprints. Save the library of footprints with attached 3D models on your computer. Back in Component Editor, we are going to attach new patterns, those with 3D models, to the existing symbols. Simply select a component and press Pattern button on the Component Properties panel. If it's not displayed, go to View, Toolbars, and tick Component Properties, or unfold it if it's hidden. In the pop-up, select the custom library group to which you inserted the patterns earlier. In my case, it's UL import. Select the library and the respective footprint. Repeat for the remaining components. Click OK. Remember to save the changes. Now you have a completely functional library comprising a symbol, a footprint, and a 3D model that can be accessed from other modules of the software, including schematic capture and PCB layout. Another option to build up libraries is to use Ultra Librarian Reader to convert libraries in BXL format from manufacturers' websites to specific CAD tool formats suitable for importing into DipTrace. You can use an online reader or download a free reader from the Ultra Librarian website. For the second option, go to Products, Free Reader, and submit an application. A download link will be sent to your email. Install the reader and start it. You can load a BXF file from your computer or press Download from website and databases and click on the icon of the partnering vendors. I want to download devices from Silicon Labs, so just click on the icon and I'm directed to the company's website. Here select 32-bit microcontrollers, download them, and unzip the downloaded folder. It contains libraries in BXL format. Back in Ultra Librarian Reader, click Load Data and select a library you would like to convert. If necessary, tick 3D model with step format selected. Our options for import to Component Editor are Eagle, KiCad, and PATS formats. I'll tick Eagle. You can check tool limitation summary for every solution and decide which one is the best option for a certain component. Click Export to selected tools. A note with instructions will appear. Once the download is completed, you get a library file and 3D models and can import them to DipTrace following the steps described earlier.